Welcome to ClearTask. Today, I'll show you exactly how to create a second Steam account. Whether you want a separate account for family members, an alternate account for specific games, or just a fresh start, the process is quick and simple. Let's dive right in. First, open your Steam desktop client. If you are currently logged in, you need to log out. Click on your profile name in the top right corner of the window and select Log Out of Account. Confirm the prompt to return to the main login screen. Once you are on the login screen, look at the bottom right and click on Create a Free Account. This will open the account creation page. Here is the most important detail. Steam requires a unique email address for every account. You cannot use the email attached to your primary Steam profile. Enter a new valid email address and type it a second time to confirm. Next, select your country of residence, check the box to confirm you are 13 years of age or older, and complete the CAPTCHA verification. Then click Continue. Steam will immediately send a verification email to the address you provided. Open your email inbox, find the message from Steam, and click the Verify My Email Address button. Once verified, switch back to your original account creation page. It will automatically update, prompting you to choose your new Steam account name and a secure password. Fill in your desired username and password, then click Done. That's it. Your second Steam account is fully set up and ready to use. You can now log into the Steam client with your new credentials. If this guide helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward, no-nonsense tutorials. Thanks for watching.